Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to size a tankless water heater the right way. Most sizing mistakes come from guessing. But today, we're going to eliminate all the guesswork by walking through the exact process professionals use, using our Excel sizing calculator as a guide. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand what really determines tankless size. Tankless water heaters are not sized by storage gallons. Instead, they are sized by how much hot water they can produce at a given temperature rise. There are three things that matter. Flow rate, measured in gallons per minute, or GPM. This is how many gallons of hot water your fixtures demand at the same time. Temperature rise, which is how much the heater needs to raise incoming cold water to reach your desired hot water temperature. Heater capacity, measured in BTU per hour for gas units or kilowatts for electric units. To size your unit correctly, you need to determine your required GPM plus your required temperature rise. Then select a tankless model that can meet or exceed both. Step 2. Start with the Excel calculator. Open the Tankless Water Heater Sizing Calculator. At the top of the sheet, under Step 1 Basic Project Info, enter your project or home name, your climate or location, and most importantly, the incoming cold water temperature and the desired hot water temperature. The calculator will automatically compute your temperature rise, also known as delta T. Step 3. Measuring your actual inlet water temperature. You'll see many groundwater temperature maps online, but the most accurate method is simply measuring the cold water temperature at your own home. Here's how. Turn on a cold water faucet. Let it run for 2 to 3 minutes, so the water comes directly from the main supply. Place a digital thermometer in the stream or in a collection cup. Record the lowest stable reading. This direct measurement is far more accurate than any national map. Enter that value into the calculator as your incoming water temperature. Most people set their desired hot water temperature around 120 degrees Fahrenheit, but you can adjust this based on preference. Step 4. Build your peak. Hot water use scenario. Next, scroll down to Step 2 in the calculator. Peak hot water use scenario. This section lists common fixtures like showers, bathroom sinks, kitchen faucets, dishwashers, clothes washers, large tub fillers, multi-head shower systems. Each fixture has a typical GPM value. You can keep the defaults or adjust them if you know the exact flow rate from product specifications. Now enter how many of each fixture will realistically be running at the same time during your peak usage moment. For example, 2 showers running, 1 bathroom sink, maybe the dishwasher, or a large shower system. The calculator automatically multiplies the flow rate by the number of fixtures running to compute the total GPM for each fixture type. At the bottom of the table, you'll see the total scenario flow. This is the actual GPM the tankless unit needs to support. Step 5. Add a safety factor. Above the fixture table, there is an optional safety factor, usually set at 10%. This small buffer helps account for slightly underestimated flow rates, variations in water temperature, users turning fixtures fully open, or minor system losses. The calculator automatically produces your design flow, which is the total flow multiplied by the safety factor. Step 6. Calculate the required heating capacity. Scroll down to Step 3. Heating capacity and approximate size. This is where the calculator uses the industry formula. BTU per hour equals 500 times GPM times the temperature rise. See our other video on how this calculation is done. The spreadsheet fills this in automatically. You'll also see the electric kW equivalent if you're considering an electric tankless system. Below that, the calculator gives you a rough size category for gas tankless heaters, helping you understand if your project likely requires a 140,000 BTU unit, 160,000 BTU, 180,000, or the larger 199,000 BTU class, often needed in colder climates or homes with higher demand. If the calculated load exceeds typical residential capacity, it may be time to consider multiple tankless units in parallel or point-of-use units. Step 7. Confirm infrastructure compatibility. Before selecting a model, Make sure your home can support it. Gas tankless units require adequate gas line sizing, proper venting, combustion air, and a condensate drain for condensing models. Electric tankless units may require multiple high amperage circuits, significant electrical service upgrades, correct breaker sizing and wire gauge. This is where a licensed plumber, HVAC contractor, or electrician becomes essential. Step 8. Match your results to manufacturer performance charts. Once you have your design flow and temperature rise, visit any major manufacturer's website, such as Rinne or Rheem. Look up their flow versus temperature rise charts. Compare your numbers. For example, if you need 4.8 GPM at a 70-degree temperature rise, make sure the model can deliver at least that much hot water at those conditions. If not, choose a larger unit or upgrade to a multi-unit configuration. Always size based on winter inlet conditions, not summer temperatures. Step 9. Final best practices. Here are common mistakes to avoid. Don't size using bathroom count alone. Don't rely solely on regional groundwater maps. Don't ignore high-demand fixtures. Don't overlook your home's gas or electrical limitations. And never assume every 199,000 BTU unit performs the same. Performance varies by model. Step 10. Summary. Sizing a tankless water heater is simple when you follow a systematic process. Measure the actual cold water inlet temperature. Enter your desired hot water temperature. Build your realistic peak use scenario. Calculate your total GPM. Apply a safety factor. Determine the BTU or kW requirement. Compare results to manufacturer performance charts. Verify your gas, venting, or electrical system can support it. Follow these steps and you'll end up with a tankless water heater that is properly sized, efficient, and capable of meeting your household's hot water needs without frustration. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to download the Excel Tankless Water Heater Sizing Calculator, check the link below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our HVAC and plumbing estimating spreadsheets to streamline your construction bidding process. Check out our HVAC, electrical, and plumbing construction forms to help you run your business, and explore our online courses for in-depth training.